After you watch the video, please subscribe to our channel for more action-packed content. And a thumbs up with a hit to that like button is really appreciated. Thank you.
Vehicle description?
Negative. I haven't been able to catch up to it yet.
Yeah. Right now. Right now.
We're south of Centerville right now, heading north on 7.
North on 7. Check for coast, what's the situation? Right, partner running from J21, headed 7 north from Centerville. Rough lines. Yeah, up there. J3, J21.
Go ahead, we're coming into Centerville.
All units be advised.
Good Lord, guys, need to reason for stop, your speed, traffic conditions.
85 and a 55.
Yeah, but what's the traffic like on 7 right now?
We just got cleared up. It's no traffic right now.
What's your current speed and how is you driving?
115 right now.
Yeah, well, is he doing that staying in his lane or that's the on the shoulder or what's he driving like?
He's passed on a double yellow once that I know of.
Yeah, well.
We advise Dardanelle PD. I'm closing in on him a little bit, but we're starting to get into a little bit of traffic also.
J21 Dardanelle's on the phone with me right now. They have lighter units.
10-4, he's passed on the shoulder just now.
J21, you get elevation on unit 20.
Past the Humpback Road on Highway 7.
Commercial, that's our guys up 4 miles out of the city. Yeah, look what's right now, brother. See if they got any way they could not even set up spikes. Simple.
All units be advised. They're wondering if any way to say Centerville is set up.
21, what's your speed now?
115, we're about to pass Highway 155.
Simple. You're just a mile from the road now. If you get in the city, probably, if you get in the city, you get 1022, but if you're angry, so it's not okay. I'm at Weekly Road, 27.
We're going to be in the Dardanelle pretty quick.
Sit more there, guys. You copy about 1022 unless you get in the city.
10-4.
Yeah. Units be advised, don't know about the building from the intersection, also have some units driven by the hospital. Actually, you can drive when we get in the vehicle around 1022.
28, it's going to be 4890 Ida Lincoln, 4890CIL. I'm right behind him right now.
Block intersection, loaded up.
We're passing the high school right now.
Clarksville, we're blocking intersection. What's the traffic like there on there?
Southbound's a little heavy, but northbound there's no traffic.
I think there's too many houses and stuff. Businesses right there up here. Don't know where he's going to go. You don't know about that they have got intersection blocks. They need for this for them. You guys interrupt one behind 21. J4. Yeah, 1022, please. Okay, boy, he's crossing over the river bridge now. Take 3 about 1022. 10-4. This is what direction I am. Marshall, what's the 28 return and the address name? Also, Pope Campbell. We'll come back to Corbin Fisher. Corbin Fisher has to start 4890 Ida Lincoln. Coming back to the white bus trucker. J24. J24. They had dark tan windows, a black grill, and black wheel covers. Clarksville Drive, Dub County and Russellville. I'm going to look out for it. And the units on the interstate.
He just turned down 247 towards Pottsville.
It looks like you got some good driver's license. 21 Chevy, turn on 247.
Yeah, Lord, he's on 247 heading to Pottsville.
J15, J3, I'm on 247, here at Pottsville. One came from 27.
J3, do you want us to pick pursuit back up or let it go?
Are you still behind me?
I am.
They were about 100 yards from the bridge when I saw them. We went actively pursuing him, but no, we're still behind him. We can see him, he's about stuff of gravel now. Just use your best judgment. You can see him, traffic light, and everything. Yeah, you go get him. Also, J3, you want us to back him for a minute? Definitely. When you get that behind it and get rush from you again.
10-4. Looks like he just wrecked out. No, never mind. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. He's doing donuts or something.
Commercial, yeah, Russell coming through towards us. They turned off on 15. South Tucker Road or one of these. West Tucker Road. He's gone down Tucker Road and he's on the road. Bumper's still wrong. Way to the right right there, to the right, down that Indian Road. Still on Tucker Road. I'm just now turning on to West Tucker. It's Oprah Road.
Go ahead and tell me that.
Be careful coming down this road. It's got sharp turns, hairpin turns.
Get out on the ground.
We got him out of gun pointed into this road. Bobby. Take 3 folks with felony stop.
Get back.
Beast 1015, Birds 1015. Bobby 220. Thank you. Appreciate you, assistance. Thank you. 15,
Get up.
Yeah, that's it. Send a 1011 to that vehicle down to the Stadium Road, over off the West Tucker Road.
What are you running for? That's it, dude? It's just a ticket. It's not even jail.
Yeah, well, there goes my fucking car.
You got driver or you got any drugs or anything on you?
Sir, I got a case of beer in the car.
Been drinking today?
Go ahead.
I put my phone to it a little bit. Well, it's fine. What's up, man? Well, now, here goes the fucking killing game.
University of Metro 1.
Catherine.